It's IBC2025 and we're on the Ross stand here at IBC and we're talking openGear, and of course the man to talk openGear is Darren. Hi Darren.
Hey Simon, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Now, you're always holding something brand new.
That's right.
Tell me what this is.
So this is our SRT codec card for openGear. It's a 6-channel encoder and decoder on the same card. We can set the ports to do anything that we want, whether we want them as inputs or outputs, and it converts between SDI and SRT for transport.
Okay, so is this literally brand new out now at the show?
So this one we've had out for a little bit while now. What we're showing with this at the show is we've actually got openGear talking to the cloud now.
That's great. So what are you using for control between the ground and the cloud?
That's a good question, because obviously the card is part of the dashboard family of things that we can control using that software. We actually reach our cloud instance as well using dashboard. Okay. So we have the softGear streaming gateway, which is SRT to NDI transcoder, and we're able to use dashboard to control this, as well as that instance in the cloud. So we can get our facility on the ground, everything set up on the card. We can control its companion in the cloud, and in the cloud we are then using NDI to forward signals, bringing them back and forth between cloud processing and production instances, graphics generation from Ross or other cloud vendors who are also using NDI. So now we have finished and released the companion to this, which we call the softGear streaming gateway. Okay. And that's at feature parity with this card now.
Cool. So that's the OSG 8971.
8971, that's correct. Yeah.
Fantastic. Cool. So that's just one product in a huge range of others. Give us a rundown of what other developments that we're seeing from openGear.
If we're looking at what's going on in the partner community these days, there's quite a lot of activity. Earlier this year, we hit 55,000 frames shipped.
Okay. Wow.
Since the inception of openGear.
That's the frames that these slot into. That's exactly, a lot of frames.
Yeah. So the activity there has been fantastic. In the partner community itself, we're constantly seeing new products and refreshed products coming out all the time. And one of the most powerful things about openGear, of course, is that multi-vendor community that we have and the unified dashboard control system. But you know, just when you think there's everything that you can do with openGear, what I've been seeing is some more specialist products, more niche applications coming out with new cards. I won't say what they are; those are for those partners to announce. But there's some incredible new cards and new functionalities that we're going to have in that same frame.
Yeah, it could be easy, I guess, to think of openGear as your DAs, your converters and so on, but as you were saying before we started filming, it's gone way beyond that now.
It's gone way beyond that, yeah, far more complex and esoteric processing that you can get in the same frame. Yeah, right next to your analog audio DA, for example, as you say.
Yeah. We've been speaking to a number of openGear partners here at IBC, and one of the things we sort of said, you know, you've developed your own little box and then you've made it openGear afterwards. And a few of them said, no, we made it openGear first.
Yep.
And then we created our own standalone box, which is quite an interesting way of looking at it.
Exactly, and it is a nice path to take either direction, to be able to offer something as a standalone and a throwdown, but have it as a modular solution as well.
Yeah. It shows the consumer demand out there for it, because their customers want openGear solutions.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Yep. Anything else we need to say about openGear this year?
I think that's most of it. The update as of where we are at IBC right now.
Fantastic. Yeah. Where can people find out more information about openGear and the whole range of solutions if they want to?
So in terms of the Ross products, that's at rossvideo.com.
Okay.
And for openGear in general, the community website is opengear.tv.
Thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website for all the information. And of course, we've been doing lots of other openGear videos here at the show. Just search openGear on our channel and you'll find all those. For everything else that we've been doing at IBC, that's at kitplus.com.